A dual motor scooter usually costs $1,899. I got my punk rider for $1,399, and today I'm breaking down its incredible value for money. Let's go. Firstly, the power. With 2,300 watts from dual motors, you can reach up to 32 miles per hour. Perfect for zipping down city streets or cruising down bike paths. The LED display is sleek and functional, showing all the essential info at a glance. One of my favorite features is the quick folding mechanism. It collapses in seconds with a double safety lock, making it super convenient for storage or carrying. The self-healing tires are a game changer. No more worrying about flats from glass or nails. Plus, the rubber suspension system smooths out even the roughest roads. Safety is key, and the 360-degree lighting system with turn signals keeps me visible day and night. With an IPX6 water resistance rating, I don't have to worry about a little rain or splashing through puddles. The 43-mile range, that's more than enough for my daily commute and then some. The regenerative braking is a neat feature helping to extend the battery life as I cruise downhill. It's like getting a little boost every time I slow down. And let's not forget the app. Being able to lock and unlock the scooter, adjust settings, and control the lights through my phone is just plain cool. For $1,399, this punk rider is easily my favorite purchase of the year.